Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to LFX channel where I share my Forex trading ideas and analysis. Hope you guys are doing well, hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys had an amazing trading week. Welcome back for another forecast video / last week's recap. By the end of this video, if you guys like my content, please hit that like button and share and subscribe. And do not forget to join my free Telegram channel for updates and free signals by clicking the link in the description below. Alright, without further ado, let's dive in. Well, DXY last week started making its way towards this kind of support area. We can now obviously see a bit of a rejection here, so I'm expecting it next week to bounce back from here and at least touch this previously reached level. If that would be the case, then we will mostly base the US dollar pairs on DXY being on a bullish move for the next week. Alright, so as usual, let's start with the Euro US dollar. Alright, so during last week's forecast, we said we want to see a break and retest here, and that's exactly what happened. Once the market opens up, we want to see a double bottom formation at least before we take any long positions. This here is a major support / resistance level to which the market has reacted several times, as we can see here. But also, it was kinda ignored a couple times in the past, as we witnessed here and here. So, unless we have a strong and a solid confirmation sign or signs to go long, we will wait on this pair. Okay, let's go to the pound US dollar. Alright, let's switch to the 4 hours time frame chart. Bear with me here. Okay. Alright, here we go. Cool. Alright. Okay, so if you guys recall when I mentioned last week that this will more likely break and retest this resistance area and provide us with a third buying opportunity after it provided us with 2 buying opportunities in the past. If you do remember, please hit that like button for me, as it did exactly what we predicted it to do. I also called this trade on my Telegram channel, so I think everybody in the group made some decent profit on this one. I also advise to secure some partial profit around this level here and to move the stop loss to break even. Now, there are 2 scenarios that can happen over here. First, this market may break above the resistance and provide us with another buy-in setup, or it could face rejections at this level. Then any pullbacks toward the initial support could be viewed as an opportunity for a buy. Okay, let's move on to the Euro Pound. Well, there was not any progress made on this pair since last week. We are still expecting it to roll down towards the support area. Then from there, as I highlighted last week, we just have to observe what will happen over here. So, will it break under the support and continue the initial bearish move, giving us a sell opportunity? Or will it face rejections and provide us with a buy setup? Alright, as usual, stay tuned, as I will definitely update you guys once it touches this level. So if you guys haven't joined my free Telegram channel, you might want to do now to stay up to date with the Forex market, as well as taking advantage of my free signals and trading ideas. The link will be on the description below. Alright, let's get going and check the pound Japanese yen. During last forecast, I advised to wait for a nice buy setup to be formed, and we did get a nice rejection formations, but it was not enough, as this market is bouncing back and forth between both sides of this level. Eventually, I believe the selling power will get exhausted sometime this coming week, and this pair will provide us with a nice buy setup. Again, stay tuned on my Telegram group for updates. Let's go to the Euro, Japanese yen. Alright, it seems like this pair is on consolidation at this moment. So ideally, we would want to buy every time there is a rejection around the support area. So any pullbacks towards here could be viewed as a buy opportunity. Alright, let's go to the US dollar, Japanese yen. Okay, so we are still holding, or we are still on this trade since last week. If you guys took this trade with me, we are still holding onto it as of right now. For those of you who haven't taken this trade, I will advise to wait for a break and retest scenario to take place over this resistance level as your opportunity to catch this wave here with us. Okay? Alright, and last but not least, Aussie US dollar. Alright, so we took this trade a couple weeks ago, and I mentioned during last forecast that there is a big chance this will rally towards the 0.78066 area after seeing these long wicked candles being formed as a sign of a selling power exhaustion. And not long after, there was these couple momentums, so we got over 90 pips profit secured, as I advised to take partial profit on the Telegram group. Now we are still expecting the Aussie USD to hit our initial target here. Then I'm pretty positive that we will see this market breaking above the level, or this level, and providing us with another buying opportunity, as the Aussie has been strong versus the US dollar for the last 3 months. Alright, that was it for today's forecast video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you find any value in my content, please again hit that like button, share and subscribe. And thank you guys again for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video.